Hello, welcome to my channel Trisandhya Wonder Kitchen. I am Trisandhya. Today I am going to cook for you a oats special dish. Oats are very healthy in nature. People are more and more opting for oat these days. They make oat porridge, oat dosa, oat chapati, oat smoothie and all. We are fed up of eating the same thing. So I am going to make a variety of oat dishes and show you how to make mooli, that is radish and Bengal gram chana oats. Come, let's start. For this, the ingredients which you need is 50 grams of oats and 80 grams of water, curry leaves, 1 green chilli, little bit of coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, salt to your taste, 40 grams of chana dal, 40 grams of grated mooli, 40 grams of finely chopped onions and 10 grams of shredded fresh coconut. Now let's start how we are going to prepare oats, mooli and chana oats. First we have kept the pan for heating. We are on a diet, so let's use less oil. We have kept the oil for heating. Oats is a major source of fiber, protein, carbohydrate and minerals. Oats is a wholesome food. When you add veggies to it, dal to it, it becomes a wholesome food, one pot food for you. In fact, for people who want to lose weight, oats is such a food that can help you to lose weight very easily. In fact, I myself have lost about 25 kgs of weight after eating oats. At that time, daily eating smoothie, daily eating porridge, what is the fun? Then I explored making lots and lots of oat dishes, and this is the outcome. Now our oil is somewhat hot. Add green chilies to it. Add coriander leaves, saute them a little. This is finely chopped onions, and I have added 4 garlic pods when I have chopped it. You need not burn the onions, but it should become little bit translucent. Add salt so that the onions become translucent soon. Now our onions have become translucent. We are going to add the oats in it. Or I have used Saffola oats for it. You need not saute it first. Raw oats you can put in it. Saute a little for half a minute or so. When it is sauteed for half a minute, add the chana dal. add mooli and add the red chilli powder. For one measure of and saute it a little bit so that all the ingredients are mixed well. For one portion of oats you add 2 measures of water. Mix it and cook it for 3 minutes. Now 3 minutes over, we will see how is our oats. Our oats have been cooked very nicely. Consistency of a upma. Now you garnish it with coconut, fresh coconut. The sweet smell of coconut and sweet flavor of coconut will induce more flavors in it, and it will make you enjoy it. Oats is such a meal, you eat little of it, you feel satiated. Now our oats is over. We will off the stove and remove it in the bowl. Fresh coriander. And our mooli chana oats is ready. If you like it, eat it, make it. And if you like, kindly subscribe, like and share it.